Many years ago, when Charles Darwin visited the Galapagos Islands, he took home several different finches from the island of Santa Cruz. What Charles Darwin noticed was that within one species of finch, the medium ground finch, there were several notable differences, particularly beak size. This became a large part of Charles Darwin's work in the theory of evolution by natural selection, and the finches became known as Darwin's finches. The paper I'm presenting today is called The Possible Human Impacts on the Adaptive Radiation, Beak Size and Bimodality within Darwin's Finches. The aim of the experiment was to test the hypothesis that human activities can smooth adaptive landscapes, increase hybrid fitness, and hamper evolutionary diversification, or, in more basic terms, is human influence affecting the beak size of these birds? Shown in this diagram are Darwin's finches, and the particular one looked at in this experiment is the medium ground finch. So this bird displays resource-based bimodality, which means that a bird in an area with small seed available has a small beak, and this bird in an area where there's large seed available has a larger beak and a stronger bite. The methods used in this study was to analyse the data from 1,755 medium ground finches, which was collected between the years of 1964 and 2005. The two sites this data was collected from was the first site, Academy Bay, which had a marked increase of human population during the years of the study. El Grapatiro, which was the second site, is a site of very low human impact. The way the birds were trapped were baited traps or mist nets, and then their beaks were measured by length, width and depth. So, because over the years there were slight differences in the ways that the beaks were measured, the overall inferences of the experiment were taken from the degree of bimodality within each sample. Beak sizes at both sites were found to be strongly bimodal during the 1960s and remained so at El Grapatiro during the study. In 2003 to 2004, bimodality was lost at Academy Bay. The specific changes that humans contributed prior to the 70s weren't quantified, but it suggested that humans are smoothing a rugged adaptive landscape and changing habitats by introducing feeders that contain a rice-like feed that birds are feeding on with different beak sizes. They're all able to eat the same food. So the study overall is giving us a good look at human impact on adaptive radiation in Darwin's finches, and that bimodality is lost when human impact is high and bimodality is maintained when it is low.